Alright, back at the condo today. Not much has changed since last time. Just cleaned it up a little bit. Decided we're going to take down this wall, take out this room that they added on, open it up into one big floor plan. We got the window guys coming out tomorrow to do a fitting. It looks like they can just change the glass. Hopefully not replace this whole window. I don't know. We'll see when they get here. Haven't decided yet if we're going to do a queen bed or a king bed. I think either one will fit in here. Underneath the sink looks okay, but it needs some work. Got some holes and some exposed electrical boxes back there that we definitely need to clean up. I don't know how we're going to do it. If you got any ideas, let us know. We got a hole in this cabinet I really don't like, but the water line is right there. We'll see what we can do to fix it. I don't know. But the job for today is to install this smart lock. Okay, so this is a Kwikset Smart Code 910 touchpad electronic bolt. Use these deadbolts in most of our condos. They're pretty good. Use 4 AA batteries, which is convenient, so you don't have to hardwire. It says here, installs in minutes with just a screwdriver, no hardwiring needed. Fits standard doors, one-touch lock, automatic door locking after 30 seconds, door locked, unlocked, blinking LED indicators, audible beep when pressing the buttons. Up to 30 users, and a master code. This is the lock. Deadbolt itself. Key. Four AA batteries. These are convenient, however, you have to have, especially with vacation rentals, you have to have an alternate means to get your tenants in, just in case the batteries die. There's the touchpad itself. Middle lock button right there, that's going to lock it. And then just use your code to unlock it. Mounting plate. And the keys. The other thing I like with this Kwikset is you can easily rekey these locks with this tool right here. Just using this tool, you can rekey your deadbolt to fit your main doorknob also. And we'll be doing that later. Alright. So, let's see how this works. Instructions. Alright, first things first, we got to take out the old lock. This is what the door looks like. It's in pretty bad shape. Eventually we're going to take this whole thing off, repaint it, refurbish it. But for now, we want to change the locks. says up. That bolt goes in first. Wire is going to go underneath. Push button lock will go on like that. Alright, now on the other side, a little tricky. Face plate. And it has a little groove for the wire right there. That will go like that. And using your 2 screws. Line these 2 screws up. A little hard to line up. Like I said, just a temporary fix. I want to make sure we change the keys after we bought the condo, but we are going to take this off, refinish this door, paint it. Make it look good. Okay. All right. Next step, add the faceplate on. So, take this piece off right here. And then this piece slides off. And this is how you're going to program it manually if you don't have it hooked up to a hub. We'll do that after we install it. So you have these 2 set screws right here. That's where we're going to screw it in. Link it up with this on the back. And that's where the batteries go. Nice little arrow right there. It says front towards door. So that'll go like that once we get the batteries installed. First thing, plug this in, connect it. It says up. Fairly easy. Alright, add the batteries and see if this thing works. Alright, let's program it. Alright, it says press program once to add first code, twice add second code, and so on. I'll press it once, and I will add my code. And then it says press the lock button to save. Got a long beep. Hopefully that worked. Alright. So let's try it out. Alright, there it goes. Unlocked. Now I just put the face back on. Like that. Let's test it out. Alright, works. It's a little bit tight, it's hitting a little bit. You don't want that to happen because it's going to wear out the batteries fast. Alright, let's test it on the other side. Alright, it has locked, but is not fully engaged. That's why I had that, why it turned red. Alright, so yeah, it works. That just needs to be chilled out some more. Maybe have to drill it so the deadbolt can fully engage inside there. Alright, I think that's good. It works.